Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everybody. Welcome to our series of learning English with you Ahmed Mahmoud Abdul Majid, a teacher of English language in Asiliya Secondary School for boys. Our lesson today is about conditional sentences. In this lesson, we will use a strategy called the 3 B's, which are present, practice, and produce. Present, we will explain the structure. Then, in practice, we will provide you with more examples and you choose the correct answer. With produce, you upload a PDF files for answering them and then return to me through my email. Okay, let's start. Conditional sentences. As we know, conditional sentences are 4 types. Today we will talk about type 0 and type number 1. This is by me, Ahmed Mahmoud Abdul Majid. Okay, conditional type 0. If here refers to facts. If here refers to facts. The thing always happens if the condition is met. Facts, only facts. So, after if we have 2 sentences, the first sentence is in the present simple and the next sentence is in the same tense, because present simple refers to repeated actions and scientific facts. Okay, here is the present simple tense. If the verb precedes by I, we, you, they, we don't add anything. But if the verb precedes by he, she, it, we add s or es. For example, he plays, she plays, etc. The next sentence is in the same tense. Okay, let's see these examples. Example number 1. Here, if you boil water, it evaporates. If you boil water, if we say if he boils water, it evaporates. Okay. Example number 2. Here, if you press this button, the engine starts. If you press here, we use press because it precedes by you. Here, the engine, singular, starts. The engines start. If he presses. Okay. More one example. If you heat ice, it melts. If he heats ice, it melts. Okay. So, if followed by 2 sentences. The first sentence is in the present simple and the next one is in the same tense, because present simple tense refers to facts. Okay, now let's come to the next second part of this type, practice. Here you have 5 sentences. You have 30 seconds for each sentence for answering. Okay, please get ready. We will start now. For sentence number 1, Sentence number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Now let's check your answers. For sentence number 1, the correct answer is becomes. If you freeze water, it becomes ice. It becomes. We choose becomes here because the verb precedes by the pronoun it. Okay. For number 2, plants die if they get enough water. The pronoun here is they. They in affirmative followed by the verb without any adding. Okay, they get. In negative it follows by don't. Okay. Sentence number 3, the grass gets wet if it rains, like becomes. Okay. For number 4, if you mix red and blue, you purple, you get. If we say he gets, etc. For number 5, if you heat iron, it expands. Present simple. Okay. So this is type 0. Here if refers to facts. Okay. Followed by 2 sentences. The first one is in simple present or present simple, and the next one is in the same tense. Okay. Now let's move to the next type of conditional sentences. Conditional sentences type number 1. Okay. Here this type refers to a possible condition and its probable result. Okay. Possible condition, probable result, possible condition. Okay. Here we use if. We use after if 2 sentences. The first sentence is in the present simple tense. The next one is in future simple. Future simple will plus verb. So present simple, I, you, we, they, followed by verb. Bare verb. Okay. I play, you watch, you play. But he, she, it plays, watches, etc. The next sentence, will plus verb, will go, will be, will do, will have. Okay. After will here, the infinitive without to. We call this tense the future simple tense. Okay. Read these examples please. Here, if it rains, you will get wet. If it rains, present simple, you will get wet. Okay. So it is possible to get wet. It is possible or probable to get wet. Okay. Example number 2, if you don't hurry, you will miss the bus. Don't hurry, negative, present simple. If you don't hurry. If he doesn't hurry, you will miss the bus. You will miss the bus. Will miss. the verb here is in the future simple tense, so it is possible to miss the bus. Okay, example number 3 here. If you drop a glass, it will break. If you drop a glass, it will break. If he drops a glass, it will break. Will break, future simple tense. Here, present simple tense. Okay, now your turn. Here in practice, you have 5 other sentences. You will choose the correct answer. You have 30 seconds, half a minute for each sentence. Okay, ready? Start. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Four. Five. Now let's check your answers. Here in sentence number 1, if I have time, I that later. Here we want a future simple tense. The correct answer is will finish. Will finish. Okay. Number 2, if Ali hard, he will pass the test. He will pass the test. He will pass, future simple tense. So here we want present simple tense. Present simple tense after Ali, the same like the pronoun he. If Ali studies hard. If Ali studies hard. Okay. We can say study if we say here you, they, etc. Number 3, if I more money, I will buy a new car. If I more money, I will buy a new car. Will buy, future simple, so we should have or must he have here present simple tense. The correct answer here is have. Have. We use has if we say here he or she. Okay. Number 4, if it outside, I will stay at home. Will stay, future simple tense. So here we want a present simple tense. Okay, present simple tense. Rains. Why rains? Because it precedes by it. It rains. Okay. The last sentence for you. If I have enough time, I will. After will, we use the verb infinitive without to, as we call it bare infinitive or bare verb. So will watch. Will watch. Here ed, here es, here ing, will watch. Okay, this is our lesson today. Your turn now is you download the attached files and answer them, then send them for checking to my email a.khalil3008@education.qa. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next lesson. Goodbye.